Barbara Gayle was a distinguished Jamaican journalist, renowned for her extensive career as a court reporter with the Gleaner, one of Jamaica's leading newspapers. Her dedication to journalism and her meticulous reporting on legal matters earned her widespread respect within the media fraternity and among the public. Background and accomplishments. Throughout her career, Barbara Gayle was celebrated for her unwavering commitment to justice and transparency. She meticulously covered numerous high-profile criminal trials, providing the public with accurate and insightful reports from the courtroom. Her work set a high standard for professionalism, integrity, and courage in journalism. The Press Association of Jamaica hailed her as a trailblazing journalist, emphasizing her significant contributions to the field. Cite turned search, tragic incident. On December 17, 2024, Barbara Gayle was found dead at her home in the Caymanas Country Club estate, St. Catherine. Preliminary reports suggest that she was murdered, with indications that she may have been bludgeoned to death. Cite turned search 17. The police have launched a homicide investigation and are reportedly following strong leads in the case. Cite turned search community reaction. The news of her death has elicited shock and sadness across Jamaica. Colleagues and officials have expressed their condolences, highlighting her decades-long career and the unmatched standard she set in court reporting.
The Press Association of Jamaica, PAJ, is expressing shock and outrage at the tragic death of veteran journalist Barbara Gayle. In a media release on Tuesday, the PAJ hailed her as a trailblazing journalist who dedicated her life to chronicling the complexities of Jamaica's justice system. We urge the authorities to conduct a thorough and swift investigation into the circumstances surrounding her death and to bring the perpetrators to justice, the PAJ said. The PAJ said Gayle's unparalleled dedication to the court beat set a standard for beat reporting, earning her the trust and respect of judges, attorneys, prosecutors, and the court staff. Throughout her illustrious career, Barbara demonstrated a commitment to justice and transparency, meticulously reporting on criminal trials, civil suits, appeals, and landmark decisions. Her integrity and professionalism earned her numerous awards, including the Press Association of Jamaica Community Service Award and the Journalist of the Year Award, it stated.
Christopher Phillips, Senior Superintendent of Police with responsibility for Area 5, and I'm here with the management team from St. Catherine South, as also our area crime officer. I'm at Caymanas Estate Country Club Phase 1, where we have a case of murder treating with. I can confirm that retired journalist Barbara Gayle was today found dead in her house. What we're getting so far, she was last seen sometime after 3 yesterday, having a conversation with an unknown gentleman. Sometimes this morning, sometime after 10, residents who are used to a routine coming out in the mornings to check on them and to call to them, they never saw that usual activity, and so some residents went to check on her where the lifeless body was discovered. We are following strong leads at this time. We have the full support of all the investigative arm of the force giving full support right now. We are deeply saddened by this. It's really a very horrible scene, and we really extend condolences to the media family at this time, because I know that she's well known in that circle, so we promise, we commit to giving our best effort to solving this case. In the same time, I'd want to use the opportunity to appeal to residents once more to be extremely vigilant during this festive season, and because based on what we're seeing so far, could be anybody else from this community. And so we just want to appeal to residents to be extremely vigilant. Well, I wouldn't want to get into critiquing whether or not any protocol was breached. On the surface of it, it's very worrying how things unfolded as to how that person got in. We are going to allow the investigative process to unearth all of that, and perhaps at another time we could give another full update on what we have discovered.
Could you say if she was shot, stabbed, or
Initial assessment is suggesting that she was stabbed multiple times to the right side of her neck, and we suspect she was also hit in the forehead. Well, the vehicle is missing and her phone is also missing. But as I said, give us some more time. We want to dig deeper into this one, and we commit the full team, focus on it to ensure that this one is solved.